today we have a problem. Actually, it was yesterday when it started. Went to the store, I come back out to get in the car. Well, not this key, but this copy key. It's a Chrysler key. It's been working for weeks. Put it in, no turn. So I borrow a vehicle. I go home, I get the original key and no work. I ended up having to pry the door open and even did a little damage and get the antenna to hook onto this door lock. I was able to get in. Hate that I bent the door though. Now, get inside, and not only this key work, but this one does too. So I have to take the door panel off, remove outer handle, and find out what's wrong inside here. I'm almost tempted to just go ahead and order a lock set and be done with it. And I'll look into that too. But for now, we're taking the door apart. Enjoy. Here's my cheap GoPro knockoff. Works pretty well. I sit it in the floor. Spread out its wings a little bit. Kind of aim it towards the door. And the peak. The lighting's awful. I set it on the ground and aim it up a little bit. Now we'll see what the view looks like. Let's go back here. Is that view okay? Maybe. Well, that's what you're gonna get. So now we'll proceed to take the door panel off. Here we go. Well, let's look this over. Let's look this over and see what we got going on here. We have a screw here. I haven't done this before. I'm kind of winging it. And behind this door handle, there's a little cover. I would suspect that covers up a screw. Generally, these are held on with clips. Once we get it close enough, we'll have to disconnect these wires. I got a feeling it's fairly straightforward, so let's get to it. Let's remove this screw. It's kind of rusty down in there. See? But the screwdriver's getting a hold of it. No, it's really not. Well, maybe. It looks like this. Yeah. There we go. Alright, the screw's out. stick him in the console here so we don't lose it. Got a small flat blade here to pick this out with. There we go. Does it come all the way out or what? Should just come out. Let's pick at it on this side a little bit. Now, of course, it's going to be. Uh-oh, where'd it go? I felt it hit my knee, and then it landed on the ground. Well, here he is. Good. And both tabs. Yeah, they're still good. Good news. Wow, it just flew. And, yep, there's a screw in there. I thought there would be. Well, it's directly behind that bar. Of course it is. That's out. I need to magnetize my screwdrivers. There we go. Now I'm gonna switch cameras. Didn't really notice what size the nut is up in there. It looks kind of like a 10. Yeah, as luck would have it, that's not long enough. Give an extension. You know, I was just thinking of another option. A couple of these tumblers are blocking. This one in particular, this one and this one. I'm going to go get an attachment for my Dremel tool and get in here and grind them all down. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I got my Dremel bit here. Let me put my key in this lock cylinder. Apologize for the lighting. This could be better, but it's not. So I'm going to take this Dremel bit, I'm going to grind these smooth in here, sort of working this tumbler a little better. Oh, that don't come on. Nice. Got to plug it in. Alright, here we go. I had to resort to taking out the tumbler using a Dremel tool with the key in it. I filed down the edges of the tumblers and put her back together, and now it turns. So now I will insert this back into the door handle. Get this little gizmo and put her on here. Bolt it on the screws. Snap this little gizmo in there. I think it goes on before this, so yeah. Alright, I'll get it all back together and show you.